So this is our final video in the Markets, Money, and Mindset series on trading psychology. If you've been following along, you already know that emotions like fear and greed can cloud your decisions, and managing those emotions is key to long-term success in the markets. Today, we're talking about something that ties it all together, building a daily routine that helps you trade with confidence, discipline, and consistency. Because successful traders don't just show up and hope for the best. They prepare, they review, and they recover. Legendary trader Paul Tudor Jones once said, even if I'm wrong 80% of the time, with the right risk reward, I still win. That's the power of routine. And that's what we're about to master. So let's talk a little bit about creating a pre-market and post-market routine. You know how most athletes warm up before a game or how musicians practice scales before a performance? Traders need that too. Routines give us mental clarity, emotional balance, and consistent improvement. Here's a quick example of what a pre-market routine could look like to help you start your day like a pro. Let's say you get up around 7 a.m. to do your physical prep. You get 7 to 8 hours of sleep. You do some light movement, walk, stretch, yoga, run, eat a solid breakfast, 5 to 10 minutes of meditation, a deep breathing, and then you do your market prep. By around 8:30, you review overnight news, check pre-market movers, look at global markets and key sectors, and review economic calendars for the big news. Take about 30 minutes to do that, then move forward to your strategy setup. Review your plan and your watch list. Set your price alerts and your levels, and identify your entry and exit points. This is when you also want to define your position sizes and your risk. By 9, do that mindset check. Set your trading intention. For example, I will follow my stop losses no matter what. And then last, visualize your success. For a more detailed copy of this routine, I've added a link in the description bar. If you sign up for the free Patreon group, you can see an outline, an example of my routine, both pre-market and post-market. And you can also download it and print it, tweak it for your lifestyle, and follow this routine as you're beginning to get into your trading day. Remember, not everyone trades the same way. I am a leap trader, right? So a lot of these things I don't necessarily have to do unless I plan to do a day trade or a swing trade. A swing trader may spread prep throughout the week, and a long-term investor, they do more fundamental work on weekends, which is my personal style. Whatever your style is, the key is to be consistent and make it a habit. Trading is mentally intense, and if you're not careful, it can take a toll. So having these pre and post market strategies in place can really help you with stress and burnout. So let's recap what we've learned in this series. Mindset is more important than strategy. Emotions like fear and greed can be managed with awareness. Routines build consistency and clarity. Journaling helps keep you accountable and self-aware. And stress management keeps you in the game long term. Now, before you go, write out your full pre and post market routine, create your trading journal, or click the link in the description to download a copy of our journal that includes templates for your pre and post market routine, trade entry and exit logs, and weekly and monthly check ins, and more. Next up, we're going to move from mindset to fundamentals. In this series, what you'll learn is how to read financial statements, how to value companies, and how to spot opportunities based on real business strength. You're not just building trading skills, you're building an investor's mindset. Thanks for being part of this journey. And remember, discipline beats drama, structure beats stress, and routine builds results. I'll see you in the next series.